So let's add a description and a bio, an email perhaps. So this is just a very short bio that summarizes everything I do, what I stand for. You can verify your account too. So I'm just going to call myself Jonas++, because C++. And there's my email. So I think I can tell you guys that my company does require me to post their website on the front of my social media pages. I think I'm allowed to disclose that, so that's what I'm going to go ahead and do now that I'm on Rarible. It's not Borzoico, by the way. It's Only Network. I currently working on a task for Only Network, which is located in Dallas, Texas. I'm actually the lead developer on their team. And there's me adding my Twitter. It's always good to give Rarible as much information as you can, because that helps them to better help you out. Or maybe there's some details you want to keep private, but you do need to kind of fluff up your profile with links so that people can know a little bit more about you, so that people on the first impression are like, wow, this guy really does care about what he does. That's why I uploaded the profile photo and the cover photo, and that's why I'm adding a bunch of website URLs. And here I'm just going to edit my bio a little bit. And there we go. We're going to say, oh, we can't use plus plus. I mean, I'm just going to call myself Jonas Salcido. I mean, everybody knows my last name at this point. Or at least people can look it up on the internet. So here are our two NFTs we've created thus far. I think one thing we need is some singles and fixed price items. Items that people can just pay for and buy and not have to worry about winning a bet or something, about winning a bid. Here we go, NFTs.